Meet Yara Hair Care, the secret to healthier, fuller and stronger hair. Powered by pure natural ingredients, it adapts to your body's unique needs. Visible results in just 6 months. Say goodbye to thinning and hair loss. Scientifically formulated vitamins promote scalp coverage and boost hair density fast. Think of it as a personal trainer, but for your hair follicles. Ideal for anyone seeking luscious locks, regardless of age or hair type. Sleek packaging, premium quality, and bulk discounts. Beauty meets brains here. 15% savings for bulk purchases. Your wallet and hair will thank you. Healthy hair equals a confident you, because great hair days are priceless. Yara Hair Care, your ultimate partner in the quest for perfect hair.